Hi, this is Tahmina Khan. Today I will explain you the sketch of 10 function, graph of 10 functions. I have taken a simple example, y is equals to 10x. First of all, we know that the cycle period of 10 graph is completed in 0 to 180 degree. If you see here, it goes up. It never touches this vertical line which is at 90. And similarly, when it is coming down from here, it will never touch it. So this line is called asymptote. If you will put in calculator 1090, it will show you error because it is going in the infinity and getting closer to it, but it will never touch it. Similarly here, if you substitute the value of like 10 minus 10 minus 20 minus 30 minus 40, you will see the values will keep increasing. So this is how we are getting it right now. There is no maximum or minimum in the 10 graph. So why did I write here plus 1 and minus 1? I will discuss it later, but I can tell you here right now. If you take half of 90 is 45. If you substitute 10 45, you will get plus 1. If you substitute 10 minus 45, you will get minus 1. If you substitute 10 135, you will get minus 1. So as such, there is no maximum minimum, but what is the importance of this number here? It helps you to identify exactly halfway which integer you will get here. Nothing else. Now let's see this graph. When I'm doing 0 plus 2 or 0 minus 2, it is not that I'm trying to figure out what is maximum minimum, because in 10 graph there is no maximum or minimum here. I have shown the sketch between 0 to 180 degree. 0 plus 2 mean in between, if you substitute at 45, your answer will come 2. So it just tells you how steep the graph will be. If this number will get bigger and bigger, the graph will become steeper and steeper. That's all. Similarly, it will get steeper. So halfway between 90 and 180 is 135, and it will pass through minus 2. So this is the importance of these number here. Let's see another graph, example of another. 10 graph is always a problem, or I can say a difficult part for students to understand. Now the graph of y is equals to 2 tan x plus 1. We have to sketch 1 plus 2 3, 1 minus 2 minus 1. So these are telling me which values the graph will pass through when I will take the half of the degree between 90 180 or 90 and 0. That's all, nothing else. So I have to sketch the graph between minus 90 and 180. Since the cycle period of the 10 graph is 0 to 180, you can see it is going up from here. This is my axis of the curve 1. So from 1 it is going down here. The half is 135. So 135 will pass through minus 1. Here halfway is 45. So it will pass through 3. Similarly here, you can see the graph will be like this. Now let's see this example. Y is equals to minus 2 tan 2x plus 2. Now like we did in sine and cos graph, the graph was upside down. So similarly in this case, when I will sketch this function of tan within the range minus 90 to 135, the graph will look like this. Because it is 2x, it means now my cycle period will be completed in 90 degree. Because if I divide 180 by 2, my answer will be 90. It means one cycle will be completed in 90 degree. So now the shape of the graph, because axis of the curve is 2, will start from here and it will go down. This will go up, and then similarly, because the pattern is same, if you see lines are like this and they are not continuous because we have asymptote in between. Similarly here, I have to go up till minus 90, so I will have only one cycle. You can see the one cycle completes like this, going up and going down. So this is how my cycle period will be completed. So this is the sketch of 10. I hope you understood this graph. I have tried my best to explain it to you. In case of any query, you can put up a question or send it to the email which I have explained in my description. Thank you very much.